Okay, so this was my method of getting this bushing on here, or in here, and that's what it looks like. I froze these, or this one, prior to using, and I actually used another C-clamp so I wouldn't have to be fumbling around so much to get this together. Here's the cup, and obviously here's the other clamp. Used a rubber band around here just to hold that in place if you don't have a third hand. So anyway, that's a 22 millimeter on there, right onto the stub. And anyway, that helps out a lot if you don't have a bench vise. You know, you can get another C-clamp and rig something up like this, and then, you know, you need to use a roll of, put underneath of here the cardboard and you know, whatever else you got. So like, go ahead and improvise a little bit, and use a socket on this obviously to get on the edge of the bushing there. So okay, hope this helps.